While severe weather may not be imminent, persons The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marys County, Southeastern County, Northern Pulaski County, Northwestern Phelps County, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Iberia to near Waynesville to near Lebanon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rolla, Dixon, Belle, Crocker, Iberia, Doolittle, Vienna, Newburg, Brinktown, Vichy, Northwye, Swedeborg, and Jerome. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 171 and 179, and between mile markers 184 and 190. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for central and east central Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Marys, Miller, Phelps, and Pulaski.